If you truly understood that a single phrase can linger in a woman's mind for years, making her think of you even when you're not there, would you still use empty comments like, "You look beautiful," or "I like your dress"? Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. But before we dive into this topic, I want to ask you something quickly. If this type of content helps you better understand female psychology and how emotional connections work, please support it by liking and subscribing to the channel. It won't take more than a few seconds, and you'll be helping many more people find this information. And now I want to know something about you. What city are you watching this video from? I always read the comments, and I really enjoy discovering where you're all from. Sigh. It makes this community feel much closer and more authentic. Most men never grasp the true impact their words can have. Many think that attraction depends solely on looks, money, or status, but reality works very differently. What truly stays with a woman is how you make her feel when she's with you. And this is where something almost no one knows how to use correctly comes in. A genuine, well-delivered compliment can become an incredibly powerful tool. Think about it for a moment. Have you ever seen how a woman's attitude completely changes after hearing a phrase that truly touched her emotionally? A single sentence, spoken at the right moment and with the right intention, can completely change how she perceives you. And not just for a few minutes, but for a very long time. Today you're going to discover 8 compliments that go far beyond the physical. They aren't empty phrases or desperate flattery that end up making you seem needy. They are compliments with emotional and psychological depth, capable of awakening something much stronger within her, something that makes her feel understood, valued, and deeply attracted. And here's the reality. If you go through life using generic compliments like, "You look pretty," "You look lovely," or "I love your outfit," you end up being just like everyone else, easy to replace and even easier to forget. But when you learn to use words with intention, self-control, and presence, you discover something important. True power lies not only in what you say, but in the emotion you generate when you say it. So if you want to stand out, elevate your style, and become someone impossible to ignore, pay close attention to this. Compliment number 1. That perfume you wear is amazing. There's something about it that stays with me. The sense of smell is deeply connected to memory and emotions. A scent can make someone recall a specific moment in a matter of seconds because it connects directly to the emotional part of the brain. When you compliment his fragrance, you're not just telling him he smells good. You're conveying that his presence leaves a mark on you even when he's no longer around. And that creates a much stronger impact than you can imagine. Most men don't even notice these details. The man who does demonstrates attentiveness, presence, and sensitivity. Compliment number 2. Your smile completely changes the atmosphere. It's not just about her physical smile, but the energy she radiates when she smiles. With this compliment, you're acknowledging the emotional impact she has on those around her. You're essentially telling her that when she arrives, the place feels different, and that carries immense value. Compliment number 3. I love that you're so authentic. You never try to be someone else. We live in a world where many people feel pressure to fit in or pretend. That's why acknowledging her authenticity touches something very deep. Here, you're not talking about her appearance. You're valuing who she truly is. Sigh. You make her feel that you see her essence, not just the surface. Compliment number 4. I love the way you think. Talking to you always leaves me reflecting. Sigh. This compliment creates a completely different connection because it shifts the focus from the physical to her mind. You're acknowledging her intelligence, her perspective, and the way she interprets life. This makes the conversation much more meaningful and memorable. Compliment number 5. Your energy inspires me so much. This is one of the most powerful compliments because it goes far beyond attraction. You're telling her that her presence has a real positive effect on you, that being around her awakens a better version of yourself. And few things create a stronger connection than feeling like you inspire someone else. Compliment number 6. Sigh. You're clearly a very considerate person. Here you're highlighting her personality.